Hi everyone, uh, welcome to my channel. Today's episode is about rewiring my home network cabinet because my network is so messy. My wire is like long wire, so I need to replace the wire that it only fit on the distance of the wire and the patch panel because I'm using this kind of wire here. This wire is like 1 meter, yeah, it's 1 meter long, and I use this to connect all my my two servers and my access point and some of my CCTVs upstairs and my desktop also and my TV here. And sometimes I'm having a problem when I wanted to replace the wire. uh, for example, if I wanted to transfer the port of my access point here to the another port, so I'm having a problem that also because you'll need to pull the wire at the back. Let me show you. Okay, let me show you the front of my patch panel and the back of my patch panel. Okay guys, here we go. This is the front of my patch panel. As you can see, the wire is not really properly arranged. Look at that one. And for example, if you want to remove this one here, yeah, look at that, the wire is so long, so we need to replace that one. We need to replace the wire like it's only like this, so that's why it will look like very neat and properly arranged. So that's all, and you take a look at the back of my patch panel. Look at that. That is so very messy, right? Okay guys, I think that's all for now. I'm going to end this video. That's why I can go to the SM and buy our things, our RJ45 and our blue LAN cable. So that's why we can proceed to our project. Let's go. Welcome back everyone, welcome to my channel again. I just got home for today and I already bought our things that we needed to use to upgrade our wiring. So let me show you what I've got here. And the first one is this one. this is the crimping tool. Okay, and maybe we can use this also, and the small side cutter, and the cutter one. This is the cutter that I used to cut the excess wire of my LAN cable, and I bought some extra cable ties here, so that's why I can use it if I have something to tie. Yeah, this is it. It's like 150 pesos here, and this is our RJ45. I bought 30 pieces of them, so that's why, you know, it's very enough to upgrade our wires. And the last one is the favorite one. This is the blue LAN cable. Yeah, okay. Okay guys, the first thing we need to do is we're going to measure our wire. Okay, this is our wire. So I already measured the one, so we're going to use this to measure all the wires that we needed. So look at that one. So we're going to put some allowance, so that's why we can cut the wire here. So this is going to be like okay guys, it's already 15 wire. Yeah, this is 15 wires already. So we're going to crimp this each. I'm using this to remove the first cover of the LAN cable. This is very useful to me. This is the cheap one, but it's very useful. Okay guys, we're done with our LAN cables already. So this is our LAN cables. It's already done. So the next step that we need to do is to remove the existing LAN cable on our patch panel. So let's go. Oh, that's so messy, right? So we're going to put our new LAN cables already. This one. Look at that. That's pretty cool, right? Okay guys, look at that. It's pretty cool, right? It's very nice and clean and neat. Okay, thank you for watching. So don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button, so that's why you're going to be updated if we have a new video on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Bye.